In this lecture, I will teach you how to protect a workbook. So, to protect a workbook, you just need to go to the review menu here in the review and then click protect workbook. So, after clicking the protect workbook, you need to give a password. Sometimes the password doesn't need it, like it says that it's optional, but keeping this workbook secured or protected, it's better to put a password and do not forget the password, because when you open it, then they will ask for the password. So I'm giving a password and then verifying the password and then click OK. So this workbook is now protected.